This 2026 Jayco Seneca 37K is a Super CRV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a farmhouse decor interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super CRV features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2026 Jayco Seneca 37K is built on a Freightliner S2RV Plus chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.